Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 2 on problems on numbers. So now let us see the question over here, that is the sum of 7 consecutive natural numbers is 1617. So how many of these are prime? So now consecutive natural numbers. So whenever we have this natural numbers means why are we going to take this is very important. So we can write here, let the 7 consecutive numbers be. You will take first the x, then will be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 and x plus 6. So now they said the sum. Sum means we are going to add all this one. So this is what we have added it. And it's given that is 1617 means is equal to 1617. I wrote it down because there was no space over here. So now what will we do? We'll take all the like terms together. That is, we take, these are going to be 7x. And then when you add this one, so that is going to be 21. So now that is 7x plus 21 and that is 1617. So what will you do here? 7x write as it is, this one as it is over here. And this plus 21 goes on the other side, that will be minus 21. So 7x is going to be 1596. So x is 1596. This is multiplication, so it is going to get divided. And when you divide this number, you get 228. So what they ask, how many of these are prime? So now let us see, we know x is 228. So now we know these are the 7 numbers. So we'll just x plus 1, that will be, we are going to add 1. Then when you add 2, you get, when you add 3, you get this. When you add 4, you get this. 5, you get this one. And 6, you add this. So the numbers are, these all are the numbers what we have to write over here. So now we have to see from these numbers, which of them are prime. Prime means which are not divisible by any other number. That is going to be 229 and 233 is not divisible by any number. So of this, 229 and 233 are prime. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other part.